Hi, welcome to the Kubescape community meeting. Today is January the 20th, 2026. Let's
20.
share the screen. Good. So, as we were saying, Oshrat will fix the automatic message in Slack.
Okay, you can add a short demo of K-Agent integration with Kubescape.
Okay, great. Yeah, we'll do after Bezalel speaks about getting rid of the host sensor. How you call this K-Agent? Okay.
Congratulations about the cooperation with Rapid7.
But this is not open source Kubescape.
No,
But thank
not
you. Yeah, lots of work because of this. Okay, Bez, wanna talk a bit about what's the status of the host sensor deprecation? So I haven't reviewed your new PR. I mean, I'm a bit late in my reviews.
Okay. I guess everybody is can wait for it. But okay, so what you already have like 3 PRs, one for the node agent,
yeah,
and second one for Kubescape, and third one for the health chart.
Yeah.
We introduced new CRDs in order to support all the data we scraping out of the nodes. And yes, so actually we should merge the node agent PR.
Yep.
And after that, we can merge the Kubescape and the Headshot PR.
Yeah, I think the node agent PR was almost ready. You resolved all the changes that I had, I think. So yeah, we can. We lost you, Bez.
No, I'm still here.
Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna review this one first. I put it in order. Oops. Node agent 1 first. Then the Kubescape one. Finally. Okay. Good.
So if anyone is, I don't know, any suggestions regarding it, no, you're welcome.
Okay. Yeah, I will definitely review it like soonish. Thank you for your contributions, Bez. Okay. Ben, you wanna share your screen for the demo?
Wait a second. I'm trying to think of if the live demo will work or not. If not, then we are reverting to the video that I recorded. Let me try to share my screen. Desktop screen capture. Okay. Tell me if you see my screen.
Yes.
Oh, but this way Autumn doesn't see it. Wait. Okay. Please come over. Okay. Can I just throw this shit away? Okay. Let me try. Localhost. Okay. So for those who don't know K-Agent is a CNCF Sandbox project. It's created by folks at Solo.io. Do you see my screen? It says it's
Well, we just
paused.
see the zoom actually.
Uh,
ريزيوم خلنا معه.
okay. So a K-agent is a way to run AI agents within Kubernetes cluster. The whole instrumentation, everything is the agents themselves. If I go here, you can see that agents are CRDs. So for example, you can see near a Helm agent. If I look into the Helm agent, you can see that uh, you are you can explain to the you can explain to the agent, okay, what do you expect from him? You can give descriptions, tags, and if you go down, you will see that what is the system message to the system message to the LLM. And down there, you can see what kind of tools are available for. You can see here the tools that we enable for this agent. And if I'm going back to the UI, for example, I can let's go to the K8s agent. I can, either, sorry, how can I hide this track? Okay, whatever. Yeah, I can ask, okay, what pods are running inside my default cluster? I can chat through the dashboard. I can chat through the dashboard with the agent, but I can also send this payload to it using the API. So the idea is that I guess it's not this is the chat that you are seeing right now is just like for testing and maintenance and you'd access these things. And as you can see, behind the scenes, what happened here is that this agent invoked the K8s get resources tool, which is invoked through an MCP. And here we can see that the LLM answered after it got answers from the get resources. It answered me that okay, that within the running default namespace you have these and these pods. Now, going back to the agents, you will see here an amazing Kubernetes security engineer agent. And you can ask, which is the most risky workload in my default namespace? And I'm sending it to it. Now the nice thing is that you can see that it calls into Kubescape MCP, list vulnerabilities, list vulnerability manifests, list configuration scans, and so on. It collects all the information, and now it turns to the LM and asks the LM to generate an answer. Um, I'm not going to, so like it can do like I gave it a few nice uh, um, features like in the system prompt for just for the sake of the play for playing around with. It also like able to use the application profiles as
An input.
as an input, so it can calculate. It can tell things like in use or relevancy. Now you can see that it's in its answer. Let's go up. Okay, it says the cage and controller is the most.
Right.
It has cluster takeover roles, service account token mounted, and so on and so on. It's
Shows a lot of maturity.
yeah, it's so it's actually it's no,
Self-inspection.
yeah,
Self-inspection.
yeah, it's fun. It takes it. I opened the PR to this project to have the Kubescape as part of the of the built-in tools. Because if I'm looking at here, I'm going to create a new agent, then I can choose like tools, existing tools here. And you can see here that, wait a second. Here is it in the tool server, you will see that we have Kubescape, added in around these things, and it can, work with access all these are CRDs and storage components through the MCP. So it's really nice. And I'm waiting for the PR to be accepted. Okay, back to you, Matthias.
Cool. Very nice. Does it require watch on the resources?
No,
Cool.
that was the main question, I guess. Actually, it's worked. The only thing that was like super thing that I've enabled a tool that accesses the SBOMs, and it crashes the LLM for sure. Like because the smallest SBOM is exceeding the context limits.
Of course.
So SBOM.
They froze. It's not
Yeah,
that
the
cold in Tel
Wi-Fi
Aviv.
is horrible.
Yeah, it's not that cold
We
in
lost
Tel
them.
Aviv. Yeah. All the Jerusalemites and even the guy from the Alps can say that it's not that cold in Tel Aviv.
Apparently it was like 1, no, this morning.
It was 0 where I lived last night, but again, it's not that cold.
Yeah.
If you're dressed well, at least.
Yes.
They're gone. Can we spend before they come
Mostly
as they come?
still hang. Yes.
Can I ask about Kubescape 4? Because last time we met, Ben said that he wanted us to write a blog post about it, and I have no idea what was added there. Like
Yeah, so he hasn't worked on it.
Oh no, I know he hasn't worked on it.
Yeah.
I haven't worked on my AIs either, but just in general, what happened in Kubescape 4? What major change that gave it a major number? Why is it a major release?
So I can.
Were you involved? Do you know?
Yeah. So we have new CIS rules, but that's not very.
It's not a new major
CIS
version.
1.20 something. But the most changes come from the runtime sensor, the node agent.
Mm-hmm.
So we moved to inspector gadget image-based gadget.
Okay.
Hi. Sorry.
Hi.
Hi.
My laptop dropped dead.
Long time no see.
I just used the dead air to ask Matthias what happened, what made Kubescape 4 become a major release. So he's kind of
Oshma, do we want to like do our work session and just like draft the blog together?
yeah, we can do that. We can do that.
Do you have my meeting link? Then you could just like grab a
No,
time
you
that
can WhatsApp it to me, and then I'll just create
I
a
will
meeting.
send it now. And like there are like we support new CIS, we like all the good things in the node agent.
Maybe we'll have no, but
MCP server support.
we want to add also
Well-
the host sensor that's
And
working.
we remove the
host sensor.
host
Yes.
sensor removal.
Please.
Okay.
Deprecation.
So now we have timeline.
Yeah, but this is the major feature of the
This release.
we are doing less.
Yes. No code is the best.
No, removing code that's not helpful is a good thing. I don't see. I mean, you know.
Yeah.
Are you in marketing?
I much appreciate developing.
I don't know. I don't even know how to spell marketing. I'm sorry. I do know how to spell Kubernetes, I think.
Kubernetes.
At least you know how to pronounce it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some people say it differently.
Yeah. Anything else on top of your head, Ben? Yeah, like maybe more to come. After you do your brainstorming. Okay.
And is it GA already? It's available.
No.
No, not available. One's supposed to be GA.
Before KubeCon.
Okay, so
Always have to release something before KubeCon.
announcing it at KubeCon?
I think so, Ben. Don't pretend you're working.
Sorry.
Kubescape 4, will you be announcing it at KubeCon?
It would, yeah.
It would
we
be
have
great,
To,
yeah.
we have to talk about it together, like how to.
Maybe do a workshop. Workshops
Oh,
take a long time, but they get the thing on people's computers, so that's a good thing.
Yeah, I think we might have missed this, but yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I wasn't in the loop of all the emails. Yeah, but it might be a little late for that. That's true.
Yeah. But I think we have the project Lightning Talk on Kubescape 4.
Okay.
Yeah, we have.
At least that. Okay.
Yeah.
And what about, there's always the last 2 KubeCons, there was a demo stage where you could do a demo on the
We
pavilion.
don't have enough people to have a demo stage.
No, Matthias is going
Just
to be
kidding.
there.
Yeah.
You're going
No,
to
it's just give a demo on the pavilion stage, or do you not have enough people to kind of bring somebody there for like 15, 20 minutes or half an hour? I don't know how long it is.
The stage, the big
The stage
big
at the
screen.
Pavilion, yes.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. We could arrange that.
If that's still available, then that could work well. In Atlanta, it was full often, all the time. I mean, our booth was next to it, and it was very, very full often. And I think that I wasn't in London, but in Salt Lake, I don't remember it in Salt Lake, but in Atlanta, it seemed full a lot of the time.
Mhm.
So it's under. Okay, is that an action item for me to check?
You can check if you want, as you wish. I can, or you can.
I don't have any of the emails anymore.
Okay, I check.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah. Cool. Anything else? Ben has left the building.
No, he just he will come back.
Yeah. Yeah. That's it, I guess. No.
I guess so. I'll have a talk with Gal. Maybe I'll ask him to come to the Kubescape meeting.
With who?
With Gal.
You guys coming?
What for?
Gal, yeah.
On something CDL.
Okay. You want an action item, Rotem?
No, thank you. I have many.
You seemed bored, Autumn.
No, I'm not bored at all. I'm just tired.
Yeah, joking.
Too many kids.
Exactly.
And don't forget the puppy.
Exactly. Another kiddo. Sababa. Triage?
Cool. Okay, yeah, I move to the triage. You can leave if you want.
Okay, I'm off to pick up my mini kids.
Thank you, Matthias.
Yes, thank
Bye.
you very much.
Bye.
See you. I'm refreshing the list of the triage right now. I think there is no new issue. Wait, it's pulling. Okay, no new issue. And I followed up on them like recently. Yeah, so I'm gonna archive them here. Now here. So we are adding a new logger finally to use the structured logging. I need to review this. There were some fixes needed. I'm not sure that Copilot did them. This is the new CIS. Yeah, it's ready. I need to review it. I need to finish the review actually. And yeah, that one I have to review as well. Good find from Yakir. Yeah. At some point, I also want to like recompile Kubescape with Go 125, all the components. I don't think the host sensor can support this, but to leverage the CPU detection in Kubernetes. Yeah, let me quickly go through the pull requests. That are waiting. Okay, let's still wait a bit so that I can fix this. Quite few issues in the headlamp plugin. I don't know what Matisse is doing. I should probably contact him. Okay, great. Well, thank you for your attention. See you in 2 weeks. Bye-bye.